Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have a new spoiler for the August Yes Yes box. So first, I'm going to go through what we already know about, then I'll tell you about the new one. So the first one is you'll either get one of these two palettes. These are the Mavi Cosmetics Around the World collection palettes. The first one is Take Me to Stockholm. You will either get that one or this next one, which is Take Me to Los Angeles. The next spoiler is the Zatik Relieve Eye Serum. Then next up, you will get one out of these two brushes. These are the Aesthetica Beauty, and again, one I believe is E14. It looks like a liner brush. The other one, I believe that says C19, and it's got this diamond-shaped tip, but I did have a subscriber tell me that they had this brush or a brush just like it that works absolute wonders for hooded eyes, so that's exciting. All right, so guys, the next spoiler is a Mirabella Beauty Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer, and then last but certainly not least, this is the new spoiler they just revealed on their Instagram. It is Pure Cosmetics Silicone Pro Blender. Guys, have y'all tried these out? I have actually tried them and I kind of like them. I mean, they kind of do work. Comment below and tell me your thoughts. Tell me if you've ever used one of these. Tell me what you want to see in your box. And also, if you have not checked out Yes Yes, they are linked below and I do have a code for you to use. It is SelfTaught Beauty, that is in all caps. That will get you 10% off of your first box. Now, I do make a small commission off of that, but you also get a discount, so I figured it's a win-win for both of us. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.